Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to export Figma designs to Wix Studio. First, open your Figma project. Right-click on your design. Go to Plugins and select Figma to Wix Studio. Click on Setup Export. Now click on Share. Click on Anyone with link to ensure your design is accessible. Check the share settings to make sure they are correct. Copy the link provided. Open Wix and log into your account. Click on the icon at the top right corner. Go to Tools and click on Import from Figma. Paste the copied link into the provided field and click Convert. Allow access when prompted. You will see a message indicating that the Figma file was connected successfully. Now you can start exporting styles and frames using the Figma to Wix Studio plugin. Return to Figma. Check the box for the items you want to export and click Next. Click on Start Export. Click on Export Styles. Select the colors you want and export. Click Yes, Export Tiles. Go back to Wix. You will see a notification on the left side indicating that it is importing from Figma. Click on Apply Style to Sites. Click on Upload Fonts. Select the action colors, background, and text for your site. Choose your starting point. Return to Figma. Go back to the Import from Figma icon on the left side. Click on Apply Style to the site. Click on Continue without fonts. Click on Import from Figma from the left side again. Click on Refresh Import. Click on Container and select either a container or a section. Click on Add to Site. You will see the container added to your site. You can edit it using the tools on the left side. When you are satisfied with the design, publish your site. Now you have successfully exported your Figma design to Wix Studio. You can continue to customize your site as needed. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.